Hey guys, it's a beautiful fall day in upstate New York, so we decided to head to the Adirondacks, and we're doing a little hike along Lake George.
Yeah, mini hike.
So this is called the Stewart's Ledge Trail. It goes partway up Buck Mountain, and it's got like a nice little overlook over Lake George, and we figured it's peak foliage, chipmunks are out. Be a nice way to spend a beautiful day, and thought we'd take you along. It's so quiet.
I know.
Very peaceful.
The weather's nice. It's actually cooler because the shade.
Yeah, it's like probably 58 degrees
Yeah.
in the woods here. Clear, sunny. Look at the foliage here in the southern Adirondacks. Oh, I read about this. So it said there's straight, there's left, and there's right. We go right. We should come to a fork in the path and we say left. And then that loops around to the ledge.
Where'd you find this info?
This is from All Trails, which is like the go-to hiking trails website. Not sponsored, but I would love to be. This trail's actually unmarked. So we just have to go off of how well I remember the map.
I mean, it's very flat though. Like, it's clearly a trail.
Yeah.
A used trail, I guess.
And what I love about hiking this time of year is just like all the leaves on the ground. Oh, it's so great. It smells really good.
Yeah. Here's the fork. Are you
Right.
sure?
Yes, we hang left. Those are like the only two turns. Plus, this is going up. And if we get lost, just like go that way.
Which way?
That way. Down the mountain.
Ooh.
We have reached the uphill portion.
Yes, and I'm very, very out of shape.
We're walking on rocks right now. But we have the trail all to ourselves. I feel like in all of our videos, whenever we go anywhere outdoors, we're alone.
I thought you were gonna say you're out of shape.
No.
I was like, what?
I was gonna say like Cape Cod, we had the beach alone. New Paltz, we had the mountain alone.
Man, I can't wait to go down.
Some cool rocks. I think we're going up that. I won't tell her.
This can be music. Music, music. So you don't hear my breath.
Almost at the top.
Yay.
I'm pretty sure you just loop around the top of those rocks there. But we're starting to get a view of Lake George to the right. So there's hope. It's getting warm now.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my sweatshirt off.
It's a bit of uphill behind us. Let's see if I can show you. Back that way. Just came up that. Now it's gotta get up there. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. Quick hike. And here we are. It's Lake George. Man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the top of that mountain, all the colors.
Oh yeah.
Very cool. A few people up here as well. Oh, this is sick. Found a ledge all to ourselves. This is so cool. Colors are great. Dang.
Sitting on a ledge or a rock. It's nice.
It's really nice. Colors are good on the mountains.
I would say this is a good bang for your buck hike because it didn't take too long.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
15 minutes. Gradual incline. We were hiking right below where we're sitting.
Yeah.
On top of those rocks. And,
so definitely worth it.
This is even shorter than the New Paltz hike we did.
Oh yeah, a lot shorter. That one took at least half an hour to get to the top.
Yeah, this is like definitely best bang for your buck.
Yeah. And then we're gonna have some bread. Pizza bread.
Made bread this morning. Got some chocolate. Beautiful day. No bugs up here either.
Yeah. There was a few bugs when we were walking up, but not crazy. But yeah, nice. It's just nice out today. Nice all around.
The bread is demolished.
Oh yeah.
There's like a little bit left. Yeah. You like the view?
It's nice.
Yeah. Very pleasant.
All right, just about done. Gonna head back down. But this was really a nice spot. And there's like 2 big rocks, so plenty of space.
Yeah, there were like a couple families up there.
Yeah.
And we were able to have this one, so lots of room. I like what you said before. You could bring lawn chairs on this if they're light.
Oh yeah, it was definitely a very quick hike.
It's not that steep.
Yeah, perfect for a picnic. Nice picnic spot.
Yeah.
We'll link the map down below.
Yeah, I'll link the All Trails map. It's Stewart's Ledge off of Buck Mountain. Like I said before, it's not marked, but it's really easy. The trail is well maintained.
Oh yeah, there's like kids and dogs and stuff, so.
Super awesome, but yeah, great way to spend an afternoon in the Adirondacks here in the fall.
Made it out. The mushroom log was an indicator.
Good landmark.
Yeah.
Just a couple minutes back this way.
Yep.
Awesome though. I really like this trail. We were saying we want to come back maybe at sunset sometime, just to get some pictures, and it's like a pristine fall forest.
Yeah, you could have a really nice time if you come here. Or even hang out at the lake all day and then come here.
Yep.
And then go into like Saratoga for dinner or something. Or Glens Falls for dinner.
That is a nice way to spend an afternoon. So you're up here in the Adirondacks and it's fall time. Perfect. Little hike, not too hard. I'm not really that, gross, right? Like sweaty.
Yeah. I mean, it was a little hot, getting a little hot.
Yeah.
Doing the uphill, but I mean, in the fall though.
If we went out to dinner after this, it'd be like pretty fresh.
Yes.
We'd be able to do it. And yeah, we're close to Lake George, Glens Falls, Saratoga, like Gab said. So.
Yeah. So could be a very nice day for sure. And it was pretty empty too.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a lot of spots at the top where you could sit.
2 families. Anytime you find those hikes where it's a great view and it's not your whole day, it's really nice. Don't get me wrong, I love day-long hikes as much as everyone else, but sometimes it's nice to have just like hour and a half.
Well, yeah, because like we have stuff to do later, so this was a perfect like mid-morning activity.
Yeah. Okay, we worked up an appetite after our hike, so Gab found a place called Lakeside Farms. Check it out. What do they have?
Donuts and cider.
Cider.
And sandwiches.
Yeah,
They can have everything.
We'll see. We'll figure it out. Let's see here, kind of weaving through to get in. Got some wasps. This looks like the farm stand. Some apples. I think I lost Gabby. Yeah, go back and find her. Here's the other building. Super packed. Looks like they have all types of groceries and fall products. Okay, so that line was crazy, but this, we have a little donut truck. Gotta get it. We
Cider.
earned it after our hike. I could go for some cider. Okay, we got our cider. Got our donuts.
Cider was $2.
They claim to be the original cider donuts. This is like Cider Donut Tournament Part 2. I haven't had good cider yet this year.
Yeah. So this is the large
Yeah, the smallest like that big. Good after a hike. Want to crack open the donuts?
Yeah.
That is good. All right.
Which is definitely.
How is it compared to the ones we had a couple weeks ago?
I think it's the best one.
Really? Really?
Yeah, I like it the best. They're like extra soft.
It's so soft I could see your finger.
I know.
Yeah, there's a best
Yeah.
one.
I like them.
We should get these if we do that hike again on the way.
Yeah.
And aim on top of the mountain.
True.
And then unlock maximum fall.
Yeah. It's very busy here today, but definitely super yummy.
So thanks for coming along on our fall day today. How was it?
It was fun. This place though has a lot of bees.
Yeah.
Like not bumblebees, like yellowtail bees.
The yellow jackets.
Yellow jackets.
That's why we started on the bench and now we're in here.
Yeah. They don't bother anyone too much, but there are quite a few, so be warned.
So yeah, if you are in upstate New York looking for a fall weekend, that Stewart's Ledge hike is awesome. You could pop into Lake George, Glens Falls, Saratoga, or Lakeside Farms here in Burton Hills, Ballston
so
Lake.
far it's been our favorite donut.
Oh yeah,
up here for sure.
Definitely winner of the tournament.
Yeah.
But I think we could probably get a few more in before the end of fall.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you want to check out our fall bucket list, hit the link below. If you want to follow our future adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.
Taste